Hi, it's Emily here from horticulture.co.uk. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to propagate Dianthus. Dianthus are one of the easiest plants to propagate. You should take cuttings between June and July. To take cutting, get a pair of scissors or secateurs and get a pot and fill it with some compost. Find a new non-flowering shoot, preferably at the bottom of the plant. You can either pull or cut off this cutting. Now you need to remove the lower leaves of the cutting. Simply pull them away and place in the pot of compost. You can add more than one cutting to a pot of compost. This increases your chances of the cutting taking root. On this one, there is a small flowering bud, so you want to remove this bud so that the plant can focus its energy on rooting. Place this in the pot too.